How to download Far Cry 5 on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Far Cry 5 on PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step here is open up a web browser and simply search for Far Cry. And there you'll see Far Cry 5, open it up. And if you scroll down, you'll see the Steam website for Far Cry. So you can just go to the website, log in and continue, or let me just open up Steam itself. So after you're on Steam, head over to the search bar and search for Far Cry and 5. So after you hit enter, you will see Far Cry 5. Just, choose the game. You will see the game here. So after you choose the game, you will see different editions for it as well. So just add it to your library. Let me just find the game. So let me just choose relevance and let me just choose this one. So just tap on the add to download option, add to cart, and head over to view my cart. After you choose the version that you want to download, simply add it to your cart, and there you will see continue to payment method on your cart. Tap on continue to payment and then go to the payment method to download the game. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.